Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add an email link in WordPress. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the WordPress website. At the top right corner, click the Login button. Once you are logged in, find the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can make changes to your pages. Locate the text you want to turn into an email link and click on it. The text will be highlighted, showing it is ready to edit. Next, highlight the text fully and click the link icon in the toolbar. In the link field, type Mail to, followed by the email address you want to use. This tells WordPress to open an email client when someone clicks the link. You can edit the link further by clicking the pencil icon, then enter the correct email address. Finally, click Save to confirm. So that's basically how you can add an email link in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.